these cute heartbeat earrings, the materials we need are 1mm diameter copper wire, which is 18 gauge, 0.4mm diameter copper wire, which is 26 gauge, 2 beads, about 6mm diameter, and some ear hooks. And the tools we need are round nose pliers, chain or flat nose pliers, wire cutting pliers, a hammer and block, and a file. We're starting with a piece of the 1mm diameter wire for each earring, about 12cm or just under 5 inches long. And we want to hammer one end just to splay it out a little bit to hold the bead. We can then file the end just to get rid of any burrs and round it off a bit. And then we can add the bead. And we just want a small amount of the wire sticking out. Then we're going to start shaping the heart, the top part of the heart coming out of the top of the bead. And just curve it around so the wire at the side of the heart will go underneath that wire end. We can then decide where we want the bottom of the heart to be and put that bend in. And for a sharper bend at the bottom there, we can overbend it slightly. And then open it back out again. We then want to shape the other side. And just take the wire gently round to the curve. Now the heart doesn't need to be symmetrical, but I recommend this side being slightly taller than the side with the bead. And just get it to a shape that you're happy with. Then we can just continue to curve that wire and create a small loop on the end. And what we're looking for is this wire to just sit on top of the other one where it meets. We'll finish that little loop off. Then we can trim off the excess. And just make sure that loop's sitting flush. We then need to shape the heart for the other earring in the same way. For the wrapping, we need about 25 to 30 centimetres of the 0.4mm diameter wire, which is about 10 to 12 inches. And we're going to start from that little loop and just put 3 wraps on the wire in that little loop. We can use the short end and our pliers just to help get that started. And then holding that end, we'll just put the wraps onto that loop, going towards the bead. Then we'll take the wire up through that loop one more time. And just make sure those wraps are nice and tightly together. And then we can take the weaving wire down through the heart, the other side of the bead. Then back up through the loop to wrap both of those wires together. We'll go down the other side of the bead once more. And then wrap the top of the heart on that bead side. And I'm going to wrap it 7 times. You could do more or less, depending how you want the design to look. I'm then going to trim that, but I'm going to leave a tail just so I can tighten it all up at the end. Then we'll restart that wrapping wire on the other side of the heart, about halfway down. Get a few wraps on there. Make sure they're nice tightly together. And then we'll wrap down to that bottom bend in the heart. Once we've got there, we can carefully wrap around that bend. Then continue wrapping up the other side. And once we get to where that wire's crossing, just take the wire up one more time. And then we can take the wire across and over that wire that's coming out of the bead. And then back down on the inside of the heart, just to secure that in place. Make sure that wrap's nice and neat. And then just wrap 3 more times on the heart frame, just to secure that wrapping wire. We can then trim those ends make sure the wire is nice and tight. Get those first 2 ends trimmed. And then we can make sure the ends are flush to the frame wire. Then we just need to add the ear hook. Finish the other earring in the same way. And our earrings are finished. If you enjoyed this video, why not check out my playlist of other heart-shaped jewellery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.